The new JCT series coolant-through holders are great for high-pressure coolant. Excellent chip control and long tool life with high-pressure coolant. The new JCT series features double clamp turning, KGD external grooving, and KTN threading style holders. The unique coolant system discharges coolant towards the cutting edge to ensure longer tool life and better chip control. Introducing the double clamp JCT holder for turning. The unique coolant-through structure was carefully designed using a specialized simulation and analysis technology. Coolant is directed towards the cutting edge from the double clamp with a unique nozzle shape. 3 streams of coolant are directed towards inserts to allow efficient cooling of the cutting edge. KYOCERA maintained a greater wear resistance than the competitor's product, even when machining heat-resistant alloys such as Inconel. This customer was able to lengthen tool life by 25% using the JCT holder series. This customer extended tool life by 40% using CBN inserts in hardened steel for stable machining results. KYOCERA's JCT series guarantees excellent chip control and longer tool life with high-pressure coolant. Also introducing KYOCERA JCT series coolant-through holders for small parts machining. The large lineup of turning, grooving, and cutoff holders are capable of pressures up to 20 megapascal. 2 holes direct coolant towards both the cutting edge and the chips. 1 stream cools the cutting edge while the other helps to shred chips into small pieces. The JCT holders maintain better chip control performance when compared to competitors' products. KGBF-JCT for external grooving. The KGBF-JCT discharges coolant between the chip breaker wall and the chip. Coolant is directed to the cutting edge at a higher density than competitors and provides stable chip curls and sufficient cooling of the insert. When tested against competitor products, the KGBF-JCT provided much better chip control. Customers were able to improve chip control and lengthen tool life by 60%. KYOCERA also offers the popular KGBF-JCT holders for cutoff operations. For coolant-through turning, grooving, threading, and cutoff, switch to KYOCERA's new JCT series today.